What's up, tribe? We got a quick total body workout just using some bands. Let's begin. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap the band around like so, an anchor point, and I'm just gonna pull like this, leaning forward with my torso as I pull back. Then I change sides. And I grab the bands like so, step on the band. And as I lunge, I come to a shoulder raise, lifting my collarbone up, slightly tucking my chin in. And I change sides. As I descend, I lift my arms up. And that's it, y'all. Be limitless. Peace.